Guys, Rich here, Collector Car Gallery. We are in one of our warehouses here, and we're looking at this 1973 Buick Centurion convertible. This vehicle has a 455 in it and is completely loaded up. AC, windows, brakes, seats, all that good stuff. So just like all of our videos, we're going to just kind of give a general impression, walk around, and then we're going to do a cold start also. So you can see right here in Indiana, 55 degrees in the concrete. My shoes are hotter. So 55 degree concrete. And this thing's been sitting for a bit. So we're going to go ahead and knock this out of the way first, this cold start. Let's see. Okay, so you can see I'm right down there on the manifold. And it's 56 degrees. Let's see, what else? Right here on the radiator, kind of hard to see, 56 degrees. Water pump, 55 degrees. You guys get it, right? 55 degrees right down there on the manifold there. We'll get this cold start out of the way, and then we'll everybody can see this here. 56 degrees. Okay. Get this cold start out of the way, so that way we can just go ahead and do our little walk around. Excuse me. Let's see, battery tender. And I'll tell you what, we'll leave this open first, and then we'll start it so they can see it running in here, and then we'll do some talking about the car. Okay. No gas, nothing like that. Nice. Evens right out. Idles. Car's not smoking or anything like that. Seems to be cooking along pretty good. Guess while we're here, we'll do a quick little function test of some stuff. Headlights. Left turn signal. Rear. Oh, good. Front's working too. Right turn signal. Hang on one second. Right turn signal. Working down here too. Okay, let's see here. Windows. Rear. Oh, this rear. Passenger. And down. And then last, driver. Up. And all the way down. Door locks. Looks like passenger side door lock maybe not working. Power locking and power door lock. Let me see this real quick here. Whoops. Hang on. Slide around here.